Hi guys, I wanted to show you the latest Love of Color book from Close to My Heart. And I left it in the packaging. I haven't even opened it because I wanted to show you how it comes. It is a 6x8 size and it's just the loose sheets so that you can put it into a 3-ring album that we carry. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with mine. I have my last Love of Color book in this 6x8 album, and this one, the old one, you can see has a lot more pages, and that's because this is a complete color, I guess, directory, if you will. It includes all of Close to My Heart's exclusive colors. And now this updated one includes the 14 colors that came out since this one was published. So it's not as many pages. And I am going to go ahead and put mine right here in the same 3-ring album. And you can see it's kind of a tight fit, but it totally works. So you can get all of your Love of Color pages in this one 3-ring album. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. This is volume 2. And by the way, volume 1 has, this is the one I just showed you the cover of. It has 41 colors. So, and it also includes 14 now retired colors. And then this one includes the 14 colors that replaced those retired colors. So let's go ahead and just walk through it. I did a walkthrough of the last book, so I will go ahead and link that below if you want to check it out. So here are some of the newer colors, and the way this works is it does it by colors. So here is Desert Rose. This is one of the brand new colors, and it shows you ways to pair it, colors that will go with it nicely. So we've got Desert Rose with 4 other colors, Desert Rose with 3 other colors, and Desert Rose with 2 other colors. There are so many other color combinations you can do. These are just a jumping off point if you love this color and are looking for some other color options. One thing I love about Desert Rose is that it can really act as a neutral. It's kind of pink, kind of brown, very fallish, and it just works with so many colors. So for each color combo, there is some artwork to go with it. So now we go to Cinnamon and the colors that it works with. Scarlet, Flamingo, and these give you great ideas as well. So if you're stumped on something you want to create or a layout, you can look through here for layout ideas as well, not just color combos. Here is Sangria, Grape, Wisteria, Bluebell, which is our new color of the year. Evergreen came out last year. Green Apple came out last year. Avocado, brand new. I mean, really great combos that I wouldn't necessarily think to put together. Of course, we have the combos of the paper packs that these colors are included in, but these are really out of the box ideas that are not included in our paper packs. Love this combo. This is Lemonade. Look at that layout. That is so cute with those 3D flowers. Love that. Sundance. Paprika. I've noticed they really made the artwork, the color featured is the featured color in the artwork, but you really don't even have to make it the feature color. It could be an accent color with these other colors, but that's just the way the artwork is shown. So there we go, and then the back has an index of all of the colors that are in here and what page they're on, listed in alphabetical order, which is the same as this. So this is an invaluable resource, both of these books. It just is, it's so helpful in trying to match colors that you want to use. Say you have a color, one of these colors in the photos and you don't know what else to pair it with, and I reached for this often. So I hope that that was helpful, and be sure to check out the walkthrough of the volume 1 if you want to look through all of that. It's, again, amazing artwork in that as well. So I will also leave the links below to both of these books and to the 3 ring binders that you can put them in to store them neatly on your shelf and be able to grab easily. I also didn't point out that these pages are very thick cardstock, so they're very durable. If you want to just pull out one of the pages and set it on your desk as reference, you can do that easily, and it'll kind of stand up easily, lean up against something. So all right, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and check out the description below for all of the products and videos I mentioned. Have a great day.